Hi and welcome to Lesson 4 of WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing, Configuring Product Category Pricing. In this video, I will show you how to set up product category pricing using WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Dynamic Pricing. Now, click on the Categories tab. Under the Category Pricing tab, you will see all your product categories. To enable a discount, toggle the Enable Switch to Yes for a category. Now, choose the type, price discount, flat amount, percentage discount, or percentage off. Now, add the percentage. Once the amount is added, scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, let's set up advanced discounts based on categories. Click on Advanced Category Pricing. Now, click on the Add Category Pricing button. In Category Pricing, add an admin title. Add a name for your rule, such as, buy 2 albums, get 10% off. In quantities based on, choose how quantities are calculated. Cart line item quantity or sum of category. Now in Categories to Count, select the categories to count items from, such as audio, earphones, and gaming accessories. Now in Categories to Adjust, select the categories to apply the discount to, such as smart TV and laptops. In Applies to, you can choose who the discount applies to, such as everyone, guests, or specific roles. Now in Rule Processing mode, choose how the discount is applied, bulk or special offer. In Dates, set a date range for the discount. In Quantity Pricing, define the discount rules based on quantity, such as minimum quantity and maximum quantity. Now, select the discount type, price discount, percentage discount, or fixed discount. Enter the discount amount. Once the details are added, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. You have set up product category pricing. Start creating discounts for your product categories today. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.